Hey there, doodlers! Today, we'll be drawing a fox friend for your Keedle Doodle curtains. We will start with a black marker. Draw an upside-down triangle, but make the lower end round, like this. Give the fox a nose by adding a round line in the lower end. Next up, eyes. Draw two large triangles on the top for the fox's ears. Then, draw two smaller triangles inside the big triangles. Fun fact, a group of foxes is called a skulk or leash. Now, we're ready to color. Choose your favorite color and color in the eyes, then the nose. Can you believe it? Foxes are members of a dog family. Do you think they look like dogs? Now, we will color the fox's face with orange, but you can use any color you want. Fun fact, foxes live in dens in the ground or old trees. Do you think they also use Keedle Doodle curtains at their homes? Did you know? Foxes have great hearing. Red foxes can hear a ticking watch 40 yards away. Wow! Isn't that amazing? Now you have a fox friend on your very own Keedle Doodle curtains. Do you want to add more drawings or stickers? Come visit the Keedle Doodle website. See you next time, doodlers!